Hey, good day mga ka-ML Auto Deals, no? Matutuwa kayo dito dahil may bago tayong unit na dating na Toyota Revo 2000 model GLS, top of the line. Okay, so bagong repaint ang ating unit, napaka-shiny, well presentable. So pasilip ko sa inyo ang kanyang interiors. So dito sa ating sidings, napaka-presentable, walang punit at walang crack ang kanyang dashboard, no? So well preserved ang unit natin, no? So ito ang ating gauge, 113k mileage only. All gauge and lights are all good working, no? Pioneer CD industry stereo, all power steering, power side mirror, and power lock. So automatic transmission with OD. So ito ang ating second row seats. Yan, buong sidings at napaka fresh talaga nitong Toyota Revo natin na to, no? So ikutin muna natin at pakita ko sa inyo ang ating third row seats. So capacity is 10 to 12 seaters itong ating Toyota Revo, no? So ayan, buksan natin, pakita ko sa inyo yung ceiling. Napakalinis talaga guys, oh. Oh, konting detail na lang to kung talagang maselan kayo sobra, pero sa akin kasi pinalinis ko na to. Ayan ang ceiling, oh. Walang kapunit-punit niyan. Napaka preserve at talagang maalaga yung first owner. So newly registered 8 ending plate. So brand new for Dunlop tires, no, including the reserve tire po ay bago. Okay, so kitang-kita naman, napakalinis. Senior po ang first owner, kaya napakaalaga. Okay, dito naman tayo pumunta sa engine bay niya. So ang engine bay niya is 7K engine, gasoline engine. So walang usok, walang talsik at napakalinis ng engine bay. So kung interesado kayo, just PM us, and we are located at Binyan City, Laguna.